Hello, my name is Jordan Douglas, and I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. Let me see, just a little bit about myself. I was an ISS teacher with Shelby County Schools, and then I quickly realized that working in the education system was not the career path for me. So here I am taking on something new. It's familiar, but it's new, and I'm just like really excited to be starting code school. Um, I've always had an interest in like coding, but I never really like went deep diving into it. I remember in high school, I took a computer animation class, and we used this program called Scratch. And I used I, I I used Drake's Forever song as inspiration for my final project, and I tried to make a music video to that song. And to say the least, I got an A for effort. Like, it was so bad, none of it worked. But my teacher, she saw how much I tried, and she gave me an A. But the thing that I loved about that was like just the process of trying to figure out what conditions and functions and stuff like that went together, and I just thought that whole process was just like really cool. And I really enjoyed that, but I never saw it as like a career. I just saw it as something that was really cool to do. So fast forward 9 years later, coding is still something that I think that's really cool, and I found out that it can be more than a hobby. I never heard of being a full stack developer, software developer, until someone mentioned code school to me, and then I researched what it was, and I really like what software developers do. Just like, one, you get to be creative in some aspects, but it's really just like a lot of problem solving, and I just think that's really cool. Like, being able to solve something, like the feeling you get, the feeling you get after solving something and like you got it right, is a great feeling to me. So I really enjoyed that. I thought that was pretty cool. Over the next 6 months, I'm hoping to learn everything that I possibly can about programming languages and software development, and just soak up as much knowledge as possible, because this is something that I didn't realize I really wanted to do it until I started actually like doing it, and I started doing like freelance web design and developing work, and I was just like, oh, like I really enjoy doing this. Like, this is something I can see myself doing uh, this type of work for the rest of my life. And so I really, I'm just really excited for it. I'm hoping to eventually get a job, like a full-time job as a software developer or web developer, and continue to do like freelance web design and development on the side and stuff like that. Trying to think. So far, my journey with Code School has been one of focus and fun. I really had a fun time learning about Boolean values. I did not understand that stuff for the life of me at first. It was just so perplexing to me how true and false equals false, and I was just like, that makes no sense to me. But eventually, after watching multiple videos and like really trying to get a grasp for it, I understood that it was just basic logic, and somehow it just clicked. Like, it makes sense to me. Now that I got it, it just makes sense to me. So that was something from my pre-work packet that I really thought was like interesting, and just a whole lot of fun learning. But I'm looking really forward to learning and having fun with everyone in my cohort and getting to know everybody. So look forward to it, and thanks for watching.